Hey dog, what's up? How you doing?
Hey.
Yo, you want to fucking die right now? What's up?
Whoa, hey man.
What's up, dog? What's up? You want to get stabbed?
Get away.
What's up? You want to die? Oh, dude!
It's a prank, dude. What's your problem, dude? It's just a prank, man.
I am the ultimate prankster.
I knew it. I knew it. I needed to do that. Damn it. You're such a player, dude. Fuck you, Chris, man. You're so awesome, dude. Just YouTube now. Yes. Let's go.
All the little kids at home are like, yeah, dude. Hey, what's up again, pranksters? I'm here with another wacky prank. I'm gonna show a bunch of pretty girls my jump. Let's from prank invasion. Oh, I can't believe this. How many views does this have, you look?
Millions.
2 million.
2 million views. Check it out. Hey, how you doing? Hey, let me ask you a question. You ever seen a dick before? A slut?
Dude, it's just a prank, dude. Hey, get off me, dude. It's just a prank, man.
How's it feel to get pranked by the best?
Let's go.